Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to my heart, Relay Bank. I've been a customer of Relay Bank for over 10 years now, and I've always been impressed with their commitment to customer service and innovation. But recently, I've been getting a lot of questions from viewers about whether Relay Bank still gives out checks. So, I decided to do some research and find out the answer for myself. What is Relay Bank? Before we get into the question of whether Relay Bank still gives out checks, let's take a quick look at what Relay Bank is. Relay Bank is a digital bank that was founded in 2009. It's a subsidiary of PNC Bank, one of the largest banks in the United States. Relay Bank offers a variety of banking products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. They also offer a number of online and mobile banking features, such as the ability to deposit checks using your smartphone. Does Relay Bank still give out checks? The answer to this question is yes, Relay Bank still gives out checks. However, they've made some changes to their checking account offerings in recent years. Previously, Relay Bank offered two types of checking accounts, a basic checking account and a premium checking account. The basic checking account came with a monthly fee of $5, while the premium checking account came with a monthly fee of $10. In 2020, Relay Bank discontinued their basic checking account. They now offer a single checking account that comes with a monthly fee of $10. This checking account includes a number of features, such as unlimited check writing, free ATM withdrawals, and overdraft protection. So, if you're a Relay Bank customer, you can still get checks. However, you'll need to be on the premium checking account to do so. How to get checks from Relay Bank? If you're a Relay Bank customer and you want to order checks, you can do so online or by phone. Here's how to order checks online. Log into your Relay Bank online banking account. Click on the Services tab. Select Order Checks. Follow the prompts to place your order. Here's how to order checks by phone. Call Relay Bank customer service at 1-888-844-3663. Tell the customer service representative that you want to order checks. Follow the prompts to place your order. What are the benefits of using Relay Bank? There are a number of benefits to using Relay Bank. Here are a few of the most notable. No monthly fees for checking accounts. Relay Bank offers a checking account with no monthly fees. This can save you money over time. Free ATM withdrawals. Relay Bank customers have access to over 55,000 ATMs nationwide. This means you can withdraw cash for free wherever you are. Overdraft protection. Relay Bank offers overdraft protection, which can help you avoid bounced check fees. Online and mobile banking. Relay Bank offers a variety of online and mobile banking features, making it easy to manage your finances on the go. What are the drawbacks of using Relay Bank? There are also a few drawbacks to using Relay Bank. Here are a few of the most notable. Limited branch network. Relay Bank has a limited number of branches, which can be inconvenient for some customers. Higher fees for some services. Relay Bank charges higher fees for some services than other banks, such as wire transfers and foreign currency exchange. No paper statements. Relay Bank does not offer paper statements. This can be inconvenient for some customers who prefer to have a physical copy of their transactions. Overall, Relay Bank is a good choice for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable banking option. They offer a variety of products and services, and they have a strong commitment to customer service. If you're considering opening a checking account with Relay Bank, I encourage you to do your research and weigh the pros and cons carefully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about personal finance.